In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a file in Visual Studio Code. This is a very simple task, but it's something you'll do all the time when you're organizing your projects, cleaning up your code, or just trying to keep your files consistent and easy to find. So let's walk through it slowly and clearly. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and open the Visual Studio Code application like you normally would. Once it's open, you should see your workspace or project folder in the Explorer panel on the left side of the screen. If you don't see this panel, you can show it by clicking the Explorer icon on the left sidebar, or by using the View menu at the top and choosing Explorer. Next, look through the list of files and folders in the Explorer until you find the file you want to rename. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct file, especially if you have many files with similar names or extensions. Renaming the wrong file can be confusing later, so it's worth a second look. Now, move your mouse over that file in the Explorer panel. To bring up the file options, right-click directly on the file's name. A context menu will appear with several choices related to that file. From this menu, find the option labeled Rename and click it. As soon as you click Rename, the file name will become editable. The current name will be highlighted, and you can start typing the new name you want to use. You can change just part of the name or the entire thing. Be careful if you're changing the file extension, like from .js to .ts or from .txt to .md, because that can affect how Visual Studio Code and other tools handle the file. When you're happy with the new name, press the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm the change. Visual Studio Code will update the file name in the Explorer panel immediately. If the file is currently open in an editor tab, you'll see the tab name update as well. That's all there is to it. Open Visual Studio Code, find your file, right-click it, choose Rename, and type the new name. With this simple technique, you can keep your projects organized and your file names clear and consistent.